Welcome to our course on drone defense, a guide to mitigating aerial threats. I'm Matt Hellier. I spent over 2 decades serving in UK Special Forces, operating in some of the most high-risk environments on the planet, working everything from close protection and surveillance to counter-terror and strategic threat reduction. Since leaving the military, I've worked across the private sector, training security professionals, advising NGOs, and helping businesses and government agencies prepare for complex and evolving threats. And make no mistake, drones are one of the most urgent modern threats we face. What was once a battlefield asset is now a high street purchase. From improvised explosive delivery systems and corporate espionage to disruptive swarm attacks on critical infrastructure, the drone threat is real, and it's here. This course is built for professionals who need to understand and act on that threat. It's designed for security teams and close protection specialists, journalists, NGO personnel, and medics working in unstable regions, law enforcement and military operators, critical infrastructure teams, event planners, and corporate security leaders. And any organization that needs to protect people, property, or operations from aerial incursion. You don't need to be a tech expert. You need to understand how drones work, how they're used, and what you can do about them, legally, tactically, and effectively. Over the next few modules, we'll cover the evolving drone threat landscape, why drones are so effective, and how hostile actors exploit them, the legal frameworks so you know what you're allowed to do and where the limits are, how to detect, track, and assess drone threats, using everything from observation to radar, RF, and AI. The full spectrum of counter-drone strategies, from passive deterrence and site protocols to active interdiction real-world case studies, like swarm attacks on air bases, industrial sabotage, and even pranksters exposing security gaps, and, for those working in hostile environments, how to respond under fire with drills and fieldcraft designed to keep you and your team alive when drones are deployed against you. This isn't just knowledge, it's survival training, it's operational preparation. It's about giving you the tools to recognize, react, and recover when the aerial threat arrives. And if this course is your first step, great, but it shouldn't be your last. We offer Level 3 accredited face-to-face training for those ready to get hands-on. We also run specialist courses in drone defense, cybersecurity, and close protection knowledge refreshers, plus a full range of core personal development modules for those serious about the profession. So, wherever you're coming from, whatever your operational context, you're in the right place. Let's get to work.